is that noise? I swear this place is haunted. Like, who the fuck is snoring?